Hello, my name is Stephanie and I'm a morning cleanse coach. And I'm making this video to basically document for myself my life journey, my vision of how I had a vision a long time ago and how I'm starting to fulfill what I've always wanted to do. And I'm hoping that this video will inspire other people to follow their heart and to build amazing things on their own and not give up on themselves. I'm going to share some of my personal stories in hopes that it inspires you to follow your heart and do what's in your heart. So ever since I've been a kid, I've always had this pulling to be in front of people. I was in drama class and did presentations in front of my school. I was in church and sang in front of a choir or with the choir in front of the church. I've always had this thing to be in front of people, and I've always also had the entrepreneur spirit in my heart and soul. So when I was a kid, I actually hated the fundraisers that the school would do, so I'd make my own fundraiser. I would get candy bars for 25 cents. Yeah, like they're $1 now. It's so crazy, the price increase. But I would get them for 25 cents when they were on sale, and then I would take them to my school and sell them for 50 cents a piece and make enough money to basically pay for all of my school trips. I didn't do the normal fundraiser that everybody else did because I always thought it was a ripoff, and I didn't want to rip people off, so I came up with something that people wanted, and basically there was a problem, and I had the solution and came up with the money to provide for all that I needed when I was in high school. Another thing I did when I was a kid is I created these little geckos, and it actually started off with little braided keychains, and they took like half an hour to an hour to make, and I was like, there has to be a better way to make money, because I would sell them for like 50 cents a piece instead of spending an hour making those little brace or keychains. So I ended up coming across the geckos. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'll put a picture up. And I made those and would sell them. And I did really good. I made a lot of money. And I think I actually started a trend in my school because everybody had geckos on their book bags in high school. So I've always had this thing in me where I've had the entrepreneur spirit and I've wanted to be in front of people. I would suggest you to look inside of you and first of all, maybe even journal, what have you always been pulled to as a kid, and reflect on that, because there might be some clues on what you're supposed to do in life because of that. And then when I got out of college, I had a lot of health issues, and that's where I started wanting to help people heal, I guess. And I've had this thing in my heart for probably 15 years of wanting to help people, and I've never really known how to do it, never really knew what I was going to do. Like, I just always had this thing in my heart. And really, let's see, it's actually been 10 years that I've like taken classes, learned how to do websites, just done all these things. But I feel like a major turning point came last year, and I actually took another very expensive marketing class and learned about websites, learned about funnels, learned about all this stuff. And then it was like last year, January, when I started this, and my life completely went chaotic. So here I am trying to get really serious about my business, and personal things just happened to where all last year I could barely even work on my business. And then now here we are, 2024, and January I was like, okay, I'm going to do it again. We're going to try again. But I had learned a lot of things. I had a platform over on Kajabi, and it cost $150 a month. Could not maintain that for very long. And thankfully now I am using a different platform that does not cost me pretty much anything at all. It's like $17 a month. So that's a big change and a big weight off my shoulder. I actually made a video over a year ago, like tearing up about how hard it was to like start a business. it's kind of like embarrassing when I look back on it, but I don't really want to take it down because it's part of my journey. And even like making this video, I'm making it because I want to look back at like this video and say, that was part of my journey. That's where I was. And then like a year or two from now, I can see how much I grew. So I worked really hard on my website. I've been working really hard on my website, getting up YouTube videos, trying to figure this stuff out. And I got it. I have everything like done. And I had a win. About a month ago, I had my first sale. It was very exciting, my first sale. But what's even more exciting right now is today is my first official paid class. And I have 8 different people coming to my class. And I did a class like a year ago at the library, and I did a class basically to practice, because I want to practice being able to speak in front of people, because I have that in my heart that I'm going to speak in front of a lot of people one day. And it's really scary right now for me to speak in front of people. Like, I don't know why, because I feel like I've done this a lot. I've spoken in front of people a lot. I've like done plays in my school. I've sang in front of my school. I joined like those MLM, I was selling jewelry. I was selling nutritionals through Nikan. Like, I was doing all these things and talking in front of people, but yet I'm still nervous every time I go and have a class. And I don't know, maybe that nervousness never goes away. I hope it does. But today is my first class, and I'm proud of myself because it's officially my first paid class. So I'm documenting this today as my first paid class, and I think it'll be really exciting to see how my life develops as time goes. I've learned how to set up my funnels, set up a product. I have a product and it's a product that actually helps people. It's not like I'm just trying to sell things. Like, I'm really wanting to help people. So I have a low cost product that you get a discount when you join my email. You get a huge discount on my product. And of course, that's to get people in your email. So you can follow up later. But I've learned so much about websites and email lists and talking in front of people and doing YouTube videos. And now I officially have my first class. And so, yeah, I guess I just wanted to document where I am right now, because it'll be exciting to see where I am in a year from now, or even 2 years from now. So I guess the moral to this story in this video is, if you have something in your heart and you really want to do it, I'm a big believer in prayer, and I ask God and the angels to always help me on my path and help me get to the people that I'm supposed to be helping. So if you're a prayer, I would suggest that you also pray about your path and allow God to unfold your path for you and be able to trust Him in that path. But those things that are in our heart, they're not in our heart for no reason. They're there to guide us and help us. And that voice, that inner voice, if you hear that, that's there to guide you and help you. And I just want to encourage you to listen to that voice and follow your path, because like I said, I'm really excited that I have my first class and I didn't give up, and it's just a milestone. And I think that you can create amazing things in this world, and you just can't give up on yourself. I know a lot of people have been following me probably for a long time, so I figured I would let you know where I am and my wins. Yay, I'm totally excited about it. I know I have some friends that watch this channel, and they'd probably like to know my updates too. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I guess that's it for this video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.